I look like an Asian Barbie doll right now. Oh hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see, I come in the theme of an Asian Barbie doll according to myself. Because today I have a special product that I love to talk about and introduce you guys to. This product right here, iconicrose beauty brand, which is so pretty. If you just look at the outside packaging, this is my PR package. It's just so pretty with the color and like the rose gold name on it, and I love rose gold personally, so this is like everything. It's not just the package that is pretty, everything inside is so pretty, and I cannot wait to share this with you guys. So if you want to see what is in here, make sure to keep watching. You don't want to miss it.
Mind take it out on the phone like that, like that. All in the front, all in the back, just like that, like that.
So this is iconicrose. This is their PR package. I just want to show you how gorgeous these beauties are, and look at what they gave me is the eyeshadow palette, the Art of Seductions, and the Iconic Face palette. iconicrose is actually one of the makeup brands that have their headquarters in both China or Shanghai and in LA or US. The owner of this company is Asian. Her name is Rosie Liu. She's so gorgeous, you guys. This is one of their popular palette is the Art of Seduction. The pattern on here is like glitter and sandy kind of feel, which make it like super luxurious. When you open it, there is a mirror up top, and there's a picture of this beautiful Asian lady. Here is our palette. As you guys can see, I already started using it because this is the palette that I use for this look. I also put a how to do this look along with this video, so make sure to check it out. As you guys can see, it's rose gold on all the border, which make it super pretty. There's a total of 18 color eyeshadow on here. There's a mixture of matte color and some shimmer and some glitter on here too. You can definitely wear it on your daily basis. I'm going to put up a swatch right here for you guys so you can see the swatch on those palettes. Here is our second product, which is the Iconic Face palette. It comes in this box in a peachy pastel color. Let's open the inside. So pretty, you guys. And it's pastel again. So this is like a peachy leather, which make it so luxurious. For me, I really like it. So again, it's come with a mirror up here, and it can fold back all the way. Here is what we have. We have our highlighter, which is more like pearl pink tone, and this is a glowy pink, you guys. So it's not like a matte blush. Next is our contour, which I love so much because it comes in two different colors. This brand believe to represent all skin tone pretty much, and they literally have no border between genders. Boy, girls, any age can use it. That is it for the review, and let's get started on how to achieve this look right here. Keep watching. Alright you guys, so we are going to jump right into the palette. We are going to start off with this color right here. This is our. So I already have some foundation on, and I already applied some concealer on my eye base. So I'm going to use this color as the base on my eyelid, and I'm just blending it outward all over my eye. So the next color that I'm going to go in is the shimmer right here. So this one, I'm just going to apply it over the crease area, and I really like how it's super easy to blend and the colors just blend together very nicely and smoothly. So next I'm going to go in with this dark brown color. This is Seduce. So this one I'm just gonna go in my corner just to create that 3D hollow eyes look. Next, I'm going to cut crease. The crease will trick your eyelid to look wider. So this one I'm only gonna do halfway because I want to keep that dark brown at the end of the eye. So I'm just going to apply this chamber that we did earlier right here. So I'm just going to apply the light pink. I'm going to add this color right here. It's called Celeb. I'm just going to blend everything in together, like the area that's like not smooth. Next, I'm just going to do my bottom eye. And right here, the Seduce. So I'm going to use a dark brown and I'm going to apply this on my lower lid. Next color that I'm going to put on top of it is the chamber right here. Then we're going to finish it off with Celeb again, which I'm going to apply it to the corner of my eye. Look, you guys, I'm gonna show you guys before and after. Alright you guys, so I went and did my eye makeup off the camera that you guys can have an idea of how this total look like with eyelashes and eyeliner. So we are going to our face makeup. Here is the iconic face palette that I will be using for the face makeup. Let's go in with a contour first. For contour, it's hard to be universal. It's hard to for a brand to just come out with one color contour because everyone have different skin tone. So for this palette to specialize in two different contour in together with a palette rather than just do one color contour, I think is very special. I personally have that problem myself because I cannot use too dark of the contour because my skin tone is in the middle. It's not light and it's not dark. So it's hard for me to find the right shade for contouring. So I'm so glad that they did the two colors because if anything, I can even mix them up and get the color shade that I want. And I also think that this is definitely why this brand is suitable for all skin tones. For this look, I'm going to mix them up. The contour actually like to suck in my cheeks so that my cheekbone pop out, and then I will just contour the straight line from the top of my ear down toward the middle of my cheek. Next, we are going to contour the forehead because my forehead is a little bit wide, so I like to bring it in. So I would just contour toward the border of it. I finished contouring my forehead already. Next, I'm going to use the same contour for my nose. Mixing it like this, contouring. Since my nose is a little bit wide and I want to make them look shorter, I will contour that area too. Next, we are going to add some blush. Our blush color is pink. Doing it like this will help it to make my face slimmer. The next thing that I really like to do is to apply the brush kind of like little tap here and there because it helps your skin to look more natural. Alrighty, last step for today, I am going to apply the highlight. I like to use a very small brush. I like to highlight it in small area and I feel like it fit perfect here. So pretty. Next, I like to highlight my nose here. And the next spot that I really like to highlight is on top of my lip. Another one that we could do too, if you like your eyebrow to be a little edgy, then you can highlight highlight under your brow like this. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys found it very useful and I hope my true opinion really help you to pick which product is right for you and whether this brand is right for you or not. But overall, I like their quality, I like their price, and I think this one is a brand that you need to try. Yes, I totally recommend this product. If you guys want to check out more information, I have linked it down below in my caption. Don't forget to check it out. And if you decided to get the product and recreate this look right here, make sure to tag me on Instagram so I can go like and comment on your picture. And here's my Instagram if you haven't followed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button for me please so that you won't miss my future review video. Alright, so I'll see